Okay, welcome to day 2. This is Supliful, where you're going to go ahead and get your products from if you're doing supplements. So we're going to do 5 HTP today. We'll come down here and click Customize and Sell. After that, we're going to scroll down here and I'm going to do the Canva editor. I've already created this label, so we're going to go ahead and upload it. But this is what it looks like. So that's already all done. It's already created the mock-up, and boom, we have this supplement. We've just created this in under 2 minutes. Now all we got to do is copy this picture, save image as, grab a description, copy that, come over here into Chat GPT. Okay, so here we are. We're just going to go ahead and drop this in there. And I don't like the name that it gave it, so we're going to ask ChatGPT if it can call it something else. Mood Warrior. Oh my goodness, I couldn't have thought of that quick. Wow. Let's go ahead and read this description. Ben's Badass 5 HTP Mood Warrior. Unleash your inner calm. I'm putting Mood Warrior on the product. Look, designing stuff like this takes a little bit of time, and I'm not going to waste yours with you seeing me move around things. So I'll try to speed these up as quick as possible. Just know that this took about 5 minutes.